오늘도 예쁘다. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in the red letter is 오늘도. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 오늘도. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time on here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 166. 오늘도. 오늘도. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is o, the second syllable is n, the third syllable is do. Pronounce it with me. 오늘도. The meaning of the word 오늘도 is simply today too. 오늘 means today and 또 means too. 오늘도 means today too. How do we write 오늘도 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable O in Hangul, we need to draw first an Iyon character followed by an O character. For the second syllable N, we need to draw first a Neon character followed by the U character followed by the real character. And lastly, for the third syllable Do, we need to draw first a Dikut character followed by an O character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word 오늘도. Now that we have an idea about our word for today, let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, today too, you're pretty. The Korean translation of this sentence is 오늘도 예쁘다. Again, it's 오늘도 예쁘다. Our word for today is 오늘도. This is our word for today, and we already know that it means today too. But just a reminder, this is just a combination of 오늘 and 도. 오늘 means today, and 도 is used to say too. So 오늘도 means today too. The second part of the sentence is 예쁘다. This is already discussed in this channel, and we already know that it means to be pretty. So if these two parts are combined, it would result to a sentence that means, today too, you are pretty. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of this sentence, 오늘도 예쁘다, is simply, today too, you are pretty. And with that, you've just learned 오늘도. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 156 to 165. But don't forget our word for today, 오늘도, which means today too. The first word for our review is word number 165, 돌아와. This means come back. Word number 164 is haru, and this is the Korean noun for day. Word number 163 is 바보. This is an adjective which means dumb or fool. Word number 162 is 별, and this is the Korean noun for a star. Word number 161 is 약속, and this is the Korean noun for a promise. Word number 160 is 영원히. This is an adverb of time which means forever. Word number 159 is Hajima, and this is the counterpart of but in English, which is used as a conjunction. Word number 158 is 그리고. This is the counterpart of and or and then in English, which is used as conjunction. Word number 157 is 맞아요, and this is used to say, that's right. And the last for our review is word number 156, noon. And this is the Korean noun for an eye. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.